Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then click on while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. And swipe up. Finally, you can click on OK and select Home button to close your Launcher app. Now to apply it, go into Settings, scroll down, click on Apps located above General Management, tap on Choose Default Apps, and finally Home app. Lastly, tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Select OK, tap on Got it, and as you can see, after all that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same settings and switching between default between the default Home app or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!